as much as Hebrew can be individualized as possible was a big aha moment. We teach it in groups of 2 to 3. We do teach it in our program, but these are just some of the ways why we believe that as much individualization as possible is beneficial. If you push the decoding later, then it costs the same when you individualize because you have all these other resources. One of the financial things that we found is when we added tefillah was essentially free, right? Because the clergy are doing it. Now you have to talk about the clergy's time, but our clergy were really happy to be involved in a meaningful way. And that's how we balance the budget on this.